In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Copilot on your Windows 10 taskbar right now, even before it officially rolls out to everyone. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the official GitHub website where you'll download the latest release of ViveTool. ViveTool is a small utility that allows you to enable hidden Windows features that may already be present on your system, but not yet visible by default. Make sure you're downloading the latest release from the official source so everything works as expected. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and find the ViveTool zip file. Right-click it, then choose the option to extract all the files. Pick a folder location that's easy for you to access, since you'll need to work from that folder in a moment. Extracting the files is important because the tool won't run properly while it's still inside the zip archive. After that, open the extracted ViveTool folder. At the top of the window, click the address bar so the full folder path becomes visible, then copy that path to your clipboard. This saves time and helps avoid typing mistakes in the next step. Now click the Windows Start button and type CMD into the search bar. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the tool the permissions it needs to apply the changes to Windows. In the command prompt window, type CD followed by a space and then paste in the folder path you copied earlier. Press Enter to move the command line into the ViveTool folder. Once you're there, type the first command, vivetool/enable question id : 44744629, and then press Enter. Next, type the second command, vivetool/enable question id : 44850061, and press Enter again. These two commands are what activate the feature IDs related to Copilot on Windows 10. When both commands have been accepted, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. The restart is necessary so Windows can apply the changes properly. After your PC turns back on, right-click an empty area of the taskbar. In the menu that appears, make sure the Show Copilot button option is checked. If it is, Copilot should now be available directly from your Windows 10 taskbar. And that's it. You now have Windows Copilot ready to use right from your taskbar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech guides.